And days after India released its preliminary report on the deadly Air India AI-171 crash in Ahmedabad, citing a fuel switch cutoff as the cause, a media report has alleged the flight commander may have deliberately cut off the engine's fuel supply. The Wall Street Journal, quoting unnamed sources familiar with early US assessments, reported that cockpit voice recordings reveal First Officer Clive Kunder, who was flying the aircraft, asked Captain Sumit Sabharwal why the engine fuel switches had been moved. The report did not specify who moved the switches, but cited pilots who reviewed the engine probe, saying Kunder likely wouldn't have had the capacity to do so while piloting. India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, in its preliminary report last week, confirmed both engine fuel switches moved from run to cutoff within 1 second just after takeoff. The report did not assign blame or determine whether the action was intentional or accidental. Captain Sumit Sabharwal, a senior instructor at Air India, had over 15,000 hours of flying experience, while First Officer Kunder had logged over 3,000 hours. Reacting sharply, the Federation of Indian Pilots condemned the speculation and public discourse surrounding the crash. FIP President Captain C.S. Randhawa dismissed the Wall Street Journal article as baseless, noting that the AAIB report did not cite pilot error. He pointed to a 2019 ANA incident where both engines shut down without the pilot touching fuel switches, raising questions about possible throttle control malfunction accommodation system faults. Boeing must thoroughly investigate and verify TCMA integrity, Randhawa said. Flight AI-171, a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, was headed from Ahmedabad to the UK's Gatwick Airport with 230 passengers, including former Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani and 12 crew. It crashed shortly after takeoff, killing all but 1 on board and 19 on the ground.
We've been condemning all these American reports because the preliminary report by the AIB has not at all blamed the pilots for doing such actions. So it must be understood that one thing is very clear, that neither the report nor the Minister for Civil Aviation have said that it is a pilot error.